In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Adobe Express for video editing. By the end, you'll know how to start a project, bring in your media, organize your timeline, add text and transitions, and finish it off with music or a voiceover. Start by opening Adobe Express. From the home screen, click Video. You'll see two choices. Start from scratch, which gives you a blank canvas, or pick a template for a quick head start. Templates include suggested layouts, fonts, and colors you can replace at any time, so choose whichever approach helps you move faster. Next, upload your video clips or images. Use the Upload option to grab files from your device or cloud storage. Keep your media organized and clearly named so you can spot the right clip quickly. Higher resolution files will look sharper, but use what best matches your project's needs. Now arrange your story on the timeline. Drag and drop your clips or images into the order you want. You can move items left or right to change the sequence until the flow feels right. If a section runs long, use the clip handles to trim the start or end, tightening the pacing without losing the message. Press play to preview your progress as you go. Frequent checks help you catch timing issues early and keep the edit smooth. Add polish with on-screen elements. Insert text or titles to introduce topics, label steps, or highlight key points. Pick fonts and colors that fit your style, and keep text short and high contrast so it's easy to read on any screen. Sprinkle in stickers for emphasis where it adds value. To smooth jumps between clips, place transitions between them. Subtle choices, like quick cuts and gentle fades, usually feel the most professional and keep attention on your content. Finally, shape the sound. Open the audio panel to insert music or record a voiceover. Browse available tracks for something that matches your tone, energetic for fast-paced content, calm for tutorials, and place it on the timeline. If you're narrating, record your voiceover clearly and position it to match the visuals. Adjust the volume so the music supports the narration rather than competing with it, and add short fades at the beginning and end for a clean start and finish. That's the full workflow. Open Adobe Express and choose Video, upload your clips or images, arrange them on the timeline, enhance with text, titles, stickers, and transitions, and complete it with music or voiceover. With these tools, you can build a clear, engaging video quickly and confidently.